How to log out your IMO account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon and here you can find settings. Simply tap on settings. So we in this settings interface. Here you can find different options and can even customize it. Here there's a section called account and security. Simply tap on it. So here there's a section of logout. So you can simply log out. Also make sure you have your user ID and password saved because later you might need it when you log in. At last, hit on logout and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.